In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Windows 11 and Wi-Fi dropping out fix. It's a very simple message, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing we want to do is stop Windows from waking and killing the adapter. So we're going to right click the start menu and then go over to device manager. And then all we want to do is expand network adapters, which is going to be right here. Now, once you do, just select your Wi-Fi card and then right click it and then select properties. Now from here, all we want to do is go to power management, and where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, all you want to do is go ahead and uncheck that and then go ahead and press OK. Now inside that same wireless card properties menu, all I want to do is go over to it and then go over to the advanced tab. Now once you're in the advanced tab, all you want to do is go ahead and find preferred band, and then you want to change the right hand value to prefer 5 gigahertz band or even 6 gigahertz band if that's available as well. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.